also ask, talking about commissioner, do we even have commissioners in this town?
Yes, we do.
Very good.
Which of them they look for? Maybe you go call commissioner for environment last Friday. She don't answer you.
That woman,
Professor Konya, she don't answer you.
She answered.
So there are commissioners.
Hold on now. Do we have commissioner for social rehabilitation? They don't change. They don't change the name.
I don't forget the name.
Very good.
I feel am already.
They feel like
They worry me too.
There's only one commissioner we know day.
who
Happiness.
No.
We never give up. We didn't talk. We will compete to win.
The commissioner for youth development. I know.
9 no day.
Now your man did their last.
Who be that?
You don't man will give us 5,000.
Who's that? Call his name.
Please win now. You didn't forget.
Okay. Chris Will.
We'll give us 5,000.
Where in they?
In their house for now.
Make it is better he should stay in the house.
That they give us
The whole secretariat, commissioner for youth and whatever. Go give a whole week funky for 5,000. Are we doing sacrifice?
No, you can't give up. Now 12 us you give.
What's the difference?
May not make up.
Now,
May not make up. Too bad. It's not too
It's not a very
bad.
good friend. I don't know why they don't bring him now. If a commissioner for social rehabilitation, they say he did.
I bet somebody send us a name.
Please.
He did.
New one.
New one.
Now,
They say
I'll be there. Now, please, we tell God back.
Please send us the name for
If
commissioner
you
for social
know him,
welfare.
send us his number. We want to wish him Merry Christmas. Not for anything. Last week we called Commissioner for Environment.
And we wish
she
we wish her.
She versed with us. We wish her. We told her mother will call
she answer
anybody.
you now.
She answer. Mother will call anybody. And anybody must answer our call.
Yes.
But this time we are not for quarrel.
Yes.
We are
I
not for
said
quarrel.
no shout.
Go there song.
I said no shout. You boys and girls.
Yes.
We are not for
you.
quarrel.
not for quarrel.
Come on, let us enjoy together.
Thank you.
You all come on, let us enjoy tonight.
Oh.
You boys and girls, we are for you tonight. Men and women, we are for you tonight. Dance tonight. We are not for
God
quarrel.
bless you.
Dance tonight.
Please.
Get your sorrow.
You don't mean you mean say this radio station is a big rich but don't get this song.
Where the was here? Where the was here?
Now echo. Let's sing that song. Echo.
Very good. Thank God say
Don't
some
go
of
to
us
echo.
some of us don't dey understand where I want go now. Is it that everything in this town happen anyhow? People don't respect the law. People don't obey law.
What happened? I go to the
Hold
point.
on.
Yes, now.
Lagos as big as Lagos dey, did they
Lagos
respect
no
the
big
law?
like
Yes. They try.
They see when Lagos say no pass here,
They no born you
everybody they obey.
See,
You go need now for express.
Yes, Lagos they try for that level, but they when they say no pass here, then they come build net in between the road.
If even at them, if they not build them, they obey.
They obey.
Now, everyone, let me ask: why will this state turn to the highest hustling joint?
What happened now?
Have you seen those women?
When they
and
beg
men
money.
when they wear green skirt and white shirt, the white t-shirt with the green face cap? You don't see them.
They are very
They come go
annoying.
carry
Picture of
somebody. No be picture.
Okay,
They
no,
carry
no.
the person
They
waka.
carry the person, they waka like
As I
that.
speak to you now.
Like this, like that.
Now, one group, therefore, Jerry Junction,
a whole Jerry.
keep a woman
Where they don't decorate,
They
very
don't-
bad,
I don't
don't decorate
know
everything there.
which breast, left breast, black, big, they call opener. 4 of them come carry green usher bag.
You know, say this thing recently for a video leak of one guy, this kind of thing like this.
Wait,
that why you then take
Nah,
a
And they
one.
they come.
Now makeup.
Carry usher bag, offering bag. They waka, they get come near me. Now I tell her, say, under the craze, oh. You think this state is free for everything? Anything you wanna see, wanna carry and enter here, under the mad, oh. So now they just come, they wire us, they collect money for her. If you don't come out here, I go blow you. What am I showing my own breast? Everyone, now, when I don't want to talk. Tomorrow night they'll say, we compare. We need to compare. Governance is governance. The former commissioner for social rehabilitation, Joe Proman,
Philip Poroma.
Philip Proman, a man of such a way. From the Ogoni,
Tie, from it.
Ogoni,
Tie
From
kingdom.
Bite.
from Bute.
Tight.
Now, okay, very good. They don't bring a number.
What name there?
His name is Damiete Albert Miller.
Yes, I didn't be that. I didn't be that.
Very good. We want to wish you
I didn't think
a
of the
Merry
name since.
Christmas.
I didn't be that.
Because how can that time Joe pursue all of them?
No hala, no give us for call him straight.
Okay, they come. Now we want to call him. It's our friend. Damiete.
Wish him a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That meter means
Miller.
That don't do it for us.
Say God
Miller.
don't do it for
I'm
us.
suspecting that.
so
if
that is God.
So make him come do it for us too.
Let us see whether Damiete, as a public servant,
Shows never
the number that they are off.
Just never follow governor go on commission.
Who call him? What we have
Flag
to
or something,
They flag
Hey,
off.
they ring. No big. Hello. Good morning. My name is Tekena Iyala of the Funky Four.
In the listen,
Hey, Kamish. We want to call you and wish you Merry Christmas.
anything for the boys.
Now, before we wish you Merry Christmas, Kamish. Kamish, last one before you go. I know they're busy this morning. Kamish, all of a sudden we come to observe, say, mad people don't dey plenty for our street. If you check, if you go through Peter Odili Road, as long as it is, there is one mad woman there. Woman, no, and you know as women dey, you know good make woman the naked.
Madness and madness. What
Madness
is nakedness
and- no, it
inside?
doesn't mean they cherish woman when mad wey dey naked pass man wey
naked.
Nobody dey look. Come there is a mad woman there, so many of them, and she's naked.
And the nakedness is your
Help
problem.
us see whether you can, as you don't explain to us too, also put the mad people for your agenda too.
And one more thing. Those people where they carry children around that water line where they carry children beg.
Those are Hausa people. Those Fulani.
It remains small.
Fulani.
It remains small. Make one healers crush one of the girls.
They will
Day before
say
yesterday.
na prince for Dubai.
Small like this. Now it remain make crush because the girl don't know say light don't show green.
What
Before
do
she
we
go
do?
realize herself.
I go for Ramadan last year. Ramadan junction last year.
Okay.
When it was after the rain, I was just there observing. And when I see if I tell her, I will laugh. One woman went there, who couldn't start laughing. When they hold her hand in the water, when they go reach where stagnant water is, this woman jump across the stagnant water.
What is this? That is small.
You know that our government is very careful, government.
Yes.
Very careful.
Okay.
That brings me to what I said earlier. There is a way to pursue these people. They say you are pursuing, never see government is pursuing a community. And we are careful. That's why we are engaging the stakeholders. That's why we are speaking with the Hausa community, the Igbo community, the Yoruba community, so that they will help us. Because there is one thing we do, repatriation. When we remove them, we repatriate them. And we repatriate them, they come back.
It's all right.
We keep removing them and they keep coming back.
Commish.
But for the mentally ill people, please, they are not mad people.
Mentally
Don't
ill.
call them mad people.
Okay, mentally ill.
Sorry,
Okay,
sorry.
We know the English now. Now mad now all of us know. No vex.
The mentally ill because one day God help you, they will bring you time.
Definitely.
So now you calling them mad.
We don't even know. Now we don't know.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, so now trying to work. I meet my colleagues from other states and I tell you the kind of support they get.
Okay.
They get from the companies, they get from the public.
We go support you. We Funky for we go support you.
So when you see and you call our attention to it, surely the government is proactive enough to go and move them.
Thank you.
One day, Commish, I beg, one day Choba here.
There's another one for
That
children.
man, I don't know him more than 11 years. That man no dey comot for that
In
place.
secret, I said
In nothing.
So when they from Yoruba junction, when they talk, I know I think them.
He get that down.
He get that
He dey beg.
In the
And he know amount when they collect.
na Rasta.
If you carry them go, the next day you go take your leg waka go back to your
Make dem chain am join the bed.
Don't buy a guitar
Make them
now.
chain am join the
Trying to
bed.
start music.
They will never stay. No matter how many times you move them, they will never stay.
Wow.
Commish. That particular one know how much. If you give him 15 naira, they take.
So you know.
He know how much.
He know waiting in the
That means the
So
sickness.
maybe I arrest
The
him.
sickness on the
All of a sudden now, people dey full for ATM machine. People dey full for in front of bank. Now the one who they pay me pass, and the ones who people dey full for ATM machine. It just be like unit pulling booth
You should say
or one unit. Like say, that they come now for GTP bank now for Mbobadia. People full there. Just like say they wait for electoral material from Eleme. Now, yesterday I never queue. I don't fit first. I got ask myself, what do you mean Takana dey fight for this ATM queue? When I know where ATM dey, when nobody dey dey,
Have you?
and I will not reveal the secret.
Don't reveal it. We know. Before me, we will get one. But they don't take that one.
They don't take that one.
Don't take that one.
Those who for the ATM money. You don't know some money they say.
And they pay.
Because they will come and they pay what? Now go there they wait. Normally, any ATM where they walk, less than a minute you suppose don't collect your money come out there.
If they work normally.
If they walk.
Yes.
Now we don't did this boy just stay there for almost 3 minutes. What did they do? Where did they press?
They play game.
They collect money. Where did 3 minutes? Now me and vex. I come out from my life. My friend, what did they press there? Is that they press now? Don't be press that they press the money. I saw you press. You go, pa. Put in. You go look me. I start. And the press, I press shift now. Shift, you just hold it. I wish they could put small electric when they shock person. So that when they all hug the machine to put it, they shock you small.
Don't say that.
You take off.
You don't say that. Why is it close to them like that?
And now shift to you can put pin, bang, 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 check. Proceed. You don't proceed. Now it's okay, press back and look. And press, bang, 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 5,000, 10,000, 15,000,
And press it
20,000, others. You go press others. Keep. You show blank line, wow. And they look up. And press 750 naira. I see the class. No wonder. You get 750 naira. Which ATM will get change?
How much when you
Which of the
How much
ATM?
when your money remain?
Which of the ATM where you know say will get change?
When
Will give you 750 naira. What did they worry you? Sabros, now 751 collect. I said, you make crazy. Which ATM will give you change? People, they don't hear my say, I thought they say they crazy. You dey mad? I better come out there, check out, come out there. 750, you dey crazy. That is the kind of things we will see. Somebody go do for ATM, stay for 1 hour, just go there, check and balance. Now, the guy come. They need to give you a lot for the money where they collect. It's a bros, you don't trust them. You don't trust their lot. Make you use your hand. Go check.
But, but on a more serious note, guys, I need to ask. Maybe now only me the experience you could just day. You could just receive a lot. 750 naira. Maybe about 3 days again for a card servicing.
Oh,
800 for this. No, okay. So my question be say
we have account servicing
fee.
We have account maintenance
fee. We have card.
Card
maintenance. We have end of year, end of month balance.
No. Then a statement of
We
account.
have
COT.
the one way
If you are current account COT.
for them to send you text message.
Yeah, we have
Now the text message fee now.
Now the text
Then
message
COT follow inside. Kule, let me tell you something.
That is all this big money.
See, this is the only country where every businessman they cheat. As they enter here, they cheat us completely.
The only way they make
Do you know how many
No,
people
no, no,
that account?
What about the service providers?
Oh,
That one,
Do you know
that one
us?
no follow.
Do you know how
Those
much?
people are the worst.
How many of us don't want to enter inside bank? Say, hello, I want my account balance. How many of us don't know? Nobody get time. But anything you go there, you want the account balance. They go first frustrate you.
they go mess you up.
So if you want the account balance, go bring letter headed paper, apply.
Bring utility bill.
Go bring
passport.
guarantor.
Bring
Apply.
this, bring that.
If they see say to down for company people. Okay, you apply. Normal people, they can't look you first. Can't give one long form. Just to check account. You are own money account balance. Give me long form. I mean of us go fill that form. So nobody get time to go bank, go check, give my account balance. Nobody. So they collect anything they want to collect. Even if they collect 5 naira,
I'm telling you, it's painful.
Times their number of
Let's just do only River State. Let's just even say times 3 million.
times 3 million. 5 naira times 3 million. That's huge money.
1.7.